Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And another episode here, and we're actually going to be taking a look at the Pixel 5. Now, I haven't been using this device for a while because it's pretty obvious that the screen is cracked, and I'll show you guys again. But I decided to take it out, load a SIM card into it, and just use it. It's not that badly cracked, so not too much of a big deal. But besides that, the way that the Pixel 5 functions is actually quite astounding. A lot of people really expected this phone to just be very sluggish. A lot of people were upset. Snapdragon 765G, everyone was like, it was just not going to, it's not going to perform well. But that is not the case. The Pixel 5, even though it has the Snapdragon 765G with the Snapdragon X52 modem for 5G connectivity, it actually performs very, very well. Of course, it bears that square camera module design where you have the normal wide angle and then the ultra wide angle instead of telephoto, like on the previous Pixel 4. The near all screen display, I think, is something that people are championing for. For me, it's not a very major deal breaker. You got that hole punch camera over there, and you guys can see where it's cracked. Man, that looks bad, but eventually I'll get it fixed. In the meantime, I'm gonna do a temporary fix for it and apply a 9H screen protector on top of it, just for the meantime, and just use it as that. It is on Android 12 beta. I'm testing out beta on this phone now. And so far, everything seems to be pretty much okay. There are a few bugs that I noticed, like in the camera. When you take a photo while it's processing the image, because it doesn't have that dedicated processing chip for images like the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 4 had, opening it in Android 12, it crashes constantly while it's trying to process that photo. And it's taking a little bit of time to process the photo, so that's probably like one of the things that I did run into with 12 beta. No matter what I do here, until it's done processing that image and correcting any imperfections, it'll keep closing. So we'll go in. But the cameras are pretty solid on this. It is the same Sony IMX363 sensor on the back for the normal wide angle. And you can get some pretty good photos with the Pixel 5. And of course, Pixels are known for that, right? They're still photography kings. But even the selfie, and thankfully with my cracked Pixel 5, one of the cracks did not run through the selfie cam, so there's no distortion in it. But the selfies actually look pretty good, very detailed. And so now the photo has been processed, and there you go. I mean, when you zoom in, you really can see some, on the little Android guy. But, to be real with everybody, this is one of the reasons why I really like Google Pixel phones. The stock Android experience is phenomenal on this thing. There's just not, a lot of issues with it whatsoever. It runs smooth. Even with the 765G, which is a 700 series chip, Android is well optimized on this thing. It's pretty smooth. And I don't have the 90 hertz refresh rate on, so I do a lot that I can to kind of spare battery. 90 hertz refresh is not something that's like superly important for me to have, so I don't have it on. But you can see the different new toggles from Android 12 on there. Some people like them, some people don't. I'm a little reserved on it. There's a few things that I have a complaint on. But other than that, I mean, a great device. And if you can find one sub $500, it's a good deal. Compared to the latest that's coming up with the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, which Google's going back to a more flagship style standard, the Pixel 5 to me, still flagship in my opinion. And it feels great. I mean, the body design and everything, it's great. Reverse wireless charging for the Pixel Buds, nice to have. Good little, little feature, but nothing that makes the phone extravagant, because it's still just a feature itself. But the core essence of it, which is photography, you can really get some good shots with the Pixel 5. Bar none, hands down, top camera. And it's going to, get some good life expectancy out of it with future Android updates, security patches, etc. So that's just my quick thought on the Pixel 5. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section of the video. Are you interested in the 5 4A 5G? Let me know. If you're going to wait for the 5A or the 6, let me know in the comments. Thanks for checking out this video. If you're not subscribed, do so. Helps it out. It helps out the channel. Thumbs up it. As always, aloha.